Welcome back friends. Today in this video we are going to learn about tables in HTML. So we have a table tag to define a table in HTML. So we will write in our body tag table, which will tell the browser that after this we have a table. Okay, this is my table tag and I will press tab after this. As we have horizontal rows and vertical columns, so in the table tag, first we will write tr and then the closing of tr. Okay, which stands for table row, which will mean that a new row is starting from here. Now in this tr tag, I will write th and then the closing of th. So this th is a header tag of cell, which each table has a header which tells what column would have what values. So it is defined as th tag. Let's consider we are creating a table in which we want serial number, first name, last name, gender and age. So I will write th, then I need th 5 times, so I will write 2, 3, 4 and 5. In the first th, I will write serial number, then we have first name, then we have last name, after that we have gender, and then we have age. So I will write age here. Now save it and refresh on your web browser. Okay, now we have completed writing the header of the table. Now we need to put some entries into the table. So these entries will now not to be in the th tag because they are not heading. So we have a td tag which will contain our table data. So I will write the same thing. I will just copy it and then I will paste under this. Okay, and all th will now convert it to td. So I just have to change all the h with d. So this td stands for table data and where th stands for the table heading. So I am just changing all the th with tds. Okay, now in the serial number I just have to write 1, then Aman, then Mishra, then male, and then 20. So as our first column is for serial number, so I write 1 in the first td, then I write the first name Aman, then the last name Mishra, then the gender male, and then the age 20. After that I closed the tr tag. Now I have to save this and let's see how it looks on the web browser. Okay, you can see the difference we are getting in between of using th and td tags. First row is with th tag. This is the th tag used here, so it's in the bold which separate out the heading with the content. Then in the second row is with the td tag and the difference is clearly seen on the screen. Now let's add some more values to our table so that it could be seen like a table more. So I have to write this 2 times more, so I just copy it and I will paste it 2 times. Then this one will be 2, then this will be Sachin, then Kumar, then 22, after that 3, then this will be like Pragati, then Sharma, then female, and then 17. Okay, I save this. Now see the output on your web browser. Now consider we need a row in next which would occupy 2 columns. So we create a new row and we will write tr, and then I will write td, and I will use a attribute here which is called span. This will span your column 2 equals to 2, so the value to be span is 2 here. Then I will write some text here, and then I will close this td tag. And if I need one more, then I will write td, then again call span, which will be equals to 3 this time, and then some more text here, and then I will close this td tag. After that I have to close the tr tag. Okay, now save this and go back to your browser and refresh. You can see how this takes place. Okay, now we need a new column to this table which will be testing. So I'll write a new table header. So I just have to change here. I will write one more here, and this will be known as testing. Okay, save this and refresh your web page. I have created a new column here. So here is our new column. Now we need a cell which would occupy this remaining portion. So I will write in the first td, and then I have to create a new td here. In the first column, I have to write a td, and with td I will write an attribute which is known as row span. So I will write td row span is equals to some number, and let it be the 20 should be test, and we have entries 1 2 3 entries here. Okay, 4 entries, so I will write td span is equals to 4. Now save it and go back to your web browser and refresh it. Okay, you have seen this has taken the center of these 4 rows. Okay, so to span columns we use call span as an attribute to our cell tag, and to span a row we use a row span as an attribute to our cell tag. Now suppose we need to caption our tables. For that we have a tag in HTML, that is caption tag. Okay, there is one more thing that you have to write. If you write here after table, if you write caption, you have to write it before the table, closing of table tag. And in caption, if you write sample table of user data, and then close the caption tag, save this and refresh your web page. You can see this is the caption you have got just above the table. Okay, and there is one more thing you can write. In the table we have an attribute table border is equals to 1. If you save this and refresh your page, you can see that you have got the table that we actually want. And this is the first row, second row and third row. After that we have fourth row which is call span, this call span to the 2 times, so it has taken the values of 2 columns, and this call span is of 3, so it has taken the value of 3 columns. After that we have a row span here which is equals to the 4, so it has taken the value 4 of the 4 rows. Okay, so you can see this is the way through which we can effectively create tables in the HTML. We can add more stylings in this table, but all that we will do when we learn CSS. So that's all for this video. Try writing this code on your computer also and keep practicing it. Thank you.